Today is June 10th, right? So I'm going to read a poem for my grandmother, whose birthday is coming up on June 14th. My late grandmother, she died at the age of 90 in 2006. This is a story about her immigration, sort of pieced together from what I've heard. I was not born yet. This is in 1972. And so this is for my grandmother. And it's called Cough Drop, an Artifact, for Fortunata A. Perez, 1916 to 2006. This, I imagine, is how I've begun to associate the smell of eucalyptus with perpetual melancholia. It is 1972. I don't exist yet. But Epifanio, who later, when I'm born, becomes my late grandfather, certainly does exist. And most importantly, Epifanio is married to Fortunata, who later, when I'm born, becomes my grandmother. I imagine Fortunata, not yet my grandmother, in 1972 at the airport in Manila, which at this point is not yet Ninoy Aquino International, to smell of stale cigarette smoke and beer, and to be wearing thick plastic eyeglass frames, her hair tied back tightly. Oh, that's falling. Hold on.